How to add a picture after posting on Instagram. If any day you're an Instagram user and you would like to add a picture after you have already posted it on Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. And after tapping on the Instagram application, now you have to go to your profile like section. After you go to your profile like section, now you have to go to your post that you have added on Instagram. And you can tap on any of the posts like this. And when you go to the three dots on the top, now you can see all of the option like this. You can create a cutout sticker, you can archive it, you can hide the like count, you can turn off the commenting, edit it, view the insights, turn off the reuse, pin to your profile and share to Facebook. Now you can tap on the edit option, and after you tap on edit option, you can just edit your post. But however, you cannot directly add picture to your very post there. So this very option has not been available in Instagram. So what you can do is you can tap on Instagram again and then go to the I like option there, and then you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of the app details in store. After you tap on app details in store, now you can see the very email of the developer contact of Instagram here. You can tap on the option of email, and into the email you can send an email to the developer of the Instagram that please to make this kind of feature that you can add pictures on your very post as well. And this way, if you write it and the developer may receive it, the developer of the Instagram may just give the feature on the very future days, and all of you will be able to use the feature like this. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.